Okay, started, made a mark here. Used the saw just a little bit. I could go in, like 3/4 of an inch on one end. Hand sawed a little bit, and then I decided I just got to do the chisel. So, thing is, you drive it in along here, cut in as much as you can, and then you start taking off and start prying up to loosen them. And now I'm ripping them out. So, I'm going to take a break on that. Thought I'd do a video. Oh, and this is the other problem. These lantern flies are starting to become quite prevalent in Lewistown. Okay, and then on the other end here, started ripping this off because I knew I had to do something here, and it's wide open. So this is definitely a area of concern. And from here, I mean, the good thing is I can see what's underneath there. So I'm going to need to examine that better. So we got lots of rebuilding to do here. And the one piece just came right out, which seems to be a short piece. So I got to rip this off and then finish getting this off, and then I got to plan what I'm doing here. Got a lot of support. Okay, I'm glad I brought some hemlock down. I hope I have enough to at least get from here this whole corner reinforced and good. It's not going to be straight most likely, but I'll try to make it look really good and designed. Okay, let's get back to work.